What we are looking for is to identify where we can best contribute to different teams. We work with many local authorities through public sector frameworks. We're in collaboration with them, and we want to see how we can best bring different parties together to be able to deliver zero carbon homes.
So as part of the Energiesprong competition, we're trying to find better ways of measuring the performance of the buildings, both before they've been retrofitted and after they've been retrofitted, and easier ways to deal with the necessary billing between all of the different parties involved in the project. There's some technical challenges in terms of getting hold of the right data in a reliable way from the systems involved, but there's also challenges just getting people to understand how important the performance monitoring is to the project overall. We've been working in the area of performance measurement for a number of years now, so we've got a number of different approaches that can be used, different systems in terms of getting hold of detailed data, but there's also quite a lot of education working with everyone involved in the supply chain to get them to understand how important performance monitoring is. We chose to focus on being able to compare the detailed performance of the building in real life with the model that was put together during the design phase. Very often those things are disconnected and people get surprised very late in the process that buildings aren't performing as expected. We want to do that in real time as soon as the buildings have been retrofitted. We've spent a lot of years trying to understand how people behave, how they respond to different inputs and prompts, and we try and build that into our systems as well. We've been very impressed with the work that Energiesprong are doing in trying to build the market, both in terms of organisations with lots of properties that need retrofitting, but also then building an effective supply chain. We buy into that a lot, and we just want to be part of that supply chain as these projects come forward.